Morning to all of you. I am Ramveer from Mappers Academy, social science teacher. Today we will discuss class 9 social science geography, unit number 2, chapter number 2, physical features of India. So India is a vast country. India have a 32,87,263 square kilometer area, but this area of India are not equal. This area of India divided into many categories, divided into many physiographical divisions. So approx 6 type of divisions we have divided from India. Number one is the Himalaya mountain. Himalaya mountain started from the Jammu and Kashmir and extended to the Tripura Nagaland, and it extended between 2,500 kilometer long and broad, 70 to 500 kilometer of broadness. Himalaya have a largest peak of the world, Mount Everest, which is located in Nepal. There are many highest peak in Himalayas. Himalaya divided into many categories. From north to south, we can divide Himalayas into 3 categories. Number 1 जो categories होती है इसकी, it is called Himadri or Great Himalaya. Number 2 Himachal Himalaya. Number 3 category Outer Himalaya or Shivalik Himalayas. So Himalaya have a great significance in India because it protect to us in very rigid climatic conditions, and in India it provide us fresh water to our irrigation and largest population of India. It is the home of many perennial rivers. So Himalaya mountain is the number 1. Number 2, the northern plain. Northern plain of India consisting in the southern part of the Himalaya, and it is formed due to the alluvium of the rivers which is origin from the Himalayas. Northern plain is a vast plain. Approx it is spread from Punjab to Assam and Odisha. This is a plain which is full of the grainy system in India, and it is a agriculture product area of India. Northern plain have a thickly populated area because it is a fertile plain, and the land is fertile. Everything is available. Transportation facilities available. Drinking water and another means of system are available here in northern plain. So it is valuable for India. Number 3, Plateau. In southern part of the northern plain, India have a very oldest land mass which is called Plateau. Plateau is a part of India which is made of igneous and metamorphic rocks. These rocks are very oldest in the world. So Plateaus have a full of it is full of the many important minerals, and it is structurally a very hard rocks. Number 4, in India, desert. In India, in Rajasthan and Gujarat, some parts of the Punjab have a very important features that is known as the desert. Thar desert of India is famous in the world. Number 5th, western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. From the southern part of India, plateaus, both sides of plateaus, eastern coastal plain is located here, and it started from the West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and it is called eastern coastal plains. These are the plains which are made by the alluvial soil. Now western coastal plain. Western coastal plain area which is started from the Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, and Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. These part is made of the alluvial soil, and this is the thickly populated and agriculture product area. Number 6, islands. In India, there are 2 islands. Broadly, we can divide it into 2 islands. Number 1, Lakshadweep. Number 2, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Lakshadweep Island is located in the western part of India, and it is a very important part which is made by the coral reefs. And the right hand side of India, it means eastern part, Andaman Nicobar Island located. Andaman Nicobar Island is our largest island of India. It have only one volcanic island. It is called Barren Island. India have only volcano is called Barren Island. So it was the complete physical features of India, that India have divided into 6 main parts. So we can say that India is not equal. India have several type of parts on the point of the physiographical division. So India is a house of many natural things, for example birds, animals, and habitat, and many more vegetations. Different kind of vegetations are found in India. India have largest division according to the from north to south. It is not equal. India is not equal from north to south. It is divided according to the physiographical divisions of India. So students, thanks.